Hey guys, Junior Chef Alex right here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chicken stir fry. So first, the ingredients that you guys are going to need is white rice, chicken, red sweet pepper, onion, 1 egg, and 1 green sweet pepper. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to start washing the rice. First we're going to start washing the rice. Washing your rice, you're going to put it on the stove for at least until it starts boiling. You're going to put it on high heat and then cover the pot. So while the rice is boiling, next you're going to take your vegetables and wash them before you cut them up. So first we're going to start with the sweet green pepper. Just going to cut it in half. And you're going to take out the middle part. Next, we are going to dispose of the seeds from the middle of the sweet pepper. Next, we're just going to chop up the sweet pepper into strips. So now we're going to put this aside, and then we're going to start on the red sweet pepper. So once your rice is done boiling, you're going to put the stove on low heat. You don't really need a cover, but I suggest that you use one. So next, with the vegetables, I'm going to put the green and red sweet pepper inside of a bowl. And then I'm going to start cutting up the onion. First, let's peel off the skin and then wash the onion. I'm cutting up the onions. You're going to put the onion inside with the rest of the vegetables, which is going to be your seasoning. Then you are going to add the powdered seasoning in with the vegetables. I'm going to be using the garlic scallion allspice seasoning, adobo all-purpose seasoning. Going to put it just right on top of the vegetable, not too much. I'm going to be using minced onion seasoning. The minced onion is optional, but the rest of the seasoning I suggest that you should use. Then I'm going to be using allspice whole pimento, and then chicken seasoning. Once you have all of your vegetables chopped up, you're going to start. Then you're going to take some coconut oil and heat up your pot with it. Make sure you put the pan on medium heat, and then you wait until it's heated up, and then you're going to start putting the oil in and then everything else. So now once your pan has heated up, you're going to add your oil, your coconut oil. It doesn't have to be coconut oil, you can use vegetable oil, olive oil, any oil of your choice. So now once your oil has heated up, then you're going to add in the rest of the vegetables. Hmm? Yeah, no, look at that. Next, you're going to turn down the fire on low. On 3. Huh?
Can I take your family pictures?
That smells so good.
Don't you guys take your family pictures?
You're just going to make your vegetables get caramelized. Just fry it up a little bit. Oh, that smells so good. Next, you're going to add in the chicken. So now once the vegetables and chicken are fried a little bit, you're going to add in half of the rice that you boiled. Oh wow, this looks so good. So now this is where the egg comes. You're going to add 1 egg and just make a tiny well in the middle of it. And crack it. Then you're just going to scramble it up so that it can mix in with the rice and vegetables. So now this is the finished product of the chicken stir fry. I'm not sure if you guys want to add a little bit more chicken if you guys want to, or you can just keep it like this. Now I'm just going to put the pot on low and put the pot cover on, just to let it simmer for a little bit. So now I'm going to be making this one vegetarian. This one is for vegetarians. I'm just going to, instead of putting chicken, I'm just going to use egg. Just going to put all the seasoning inside. So just like what I did with the chicken stir fry, I'm just going to let this boil for a little bit. Let this fry for a little bit. So we're just going to let this sit and fry for a little bit. And like I said, this is only optional. You guys do not have to watch this part. This is only optional. It's only for vegetarians. Unless you're a vegetarian, you can continue watching. So now once these are caramelized and fried a little bit, you're going to add in some rice. White rice. Then you're just going to stir it. And you're just going to stir it. Then you're going to make the small well and then add in. You're going to make the small well and add in 2 eggs. make another well and add in the next egg. Then just like with the chicken stir fry, we are going to cover this and let it sit for about 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Once your stir fry is done, then it's ready to be served. Thank you guys for watching. This is the results of this chicken stir fry. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you guys also enjoyed making this recipe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below and tell me guys what you guys think about this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. And you guys can check out my other version of the chicken stir fry on my Instagram. I'm going to be putting that down in the description down below. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!